Hello friends, welcome back JavatCoding, and today we will talk about the Java 8 Stream API. I have created the one Java project. It's a Java 8 Stream API, and under that project I have created one class Java 8 Stream API example 1. So in this video I am gonna cover stream from list, stream from map, print the key values, stream from string using the char method, stream from a string using the split method, stream from array, stream of values, stream from function iterate, stream from builder. These things we will cover in this video. I have created a one method populate is to populate the list, and also I have created another one method to populate the map. So here I have created the hash map, and we are returning the map. So let's start. I will call populate list, this one, and this method will return the list, string type of list, and here is the list. Fine. So the list dot stream dot for each. I'm gonna use the for each loop system x. So let's run this. Stream from list, run at Java application. So here stream from list, as we can see. So now next is the stream from map. So firstly we need to populate the map, and this will return the map. Key is integer and the value is a string. It's a map. So here we will stream from map. So map dot intersect dot for each x. This is the parameter, and we are printing this using the lambda expression x. Let's run this. Here we got the map result. This is the map, right? And now we want the only key from the map. So let's map dot key set dot for each x. Let's run this. Right, here we got the only the key from the map. Now we need to print the values only from the map. Map dot values dot for each. So consumer x. Let's run this. Here we got the value. Here we got the map, and here we got the key only, and here we got the values only. So as per requirement, you can pass that map using the for each loop. Now here we will see stream from a string using the char. So suppose 1 2 3 4 5 A B C D, this is the string. We need a char, so chars dot for each. Here we will use the character class and to char to char. So we need to use here lambda expression system.out.println character.toChar. So let's run to check. Here we are able to get the character from the string 1 2 3 A B C D. The next is a string from a string using the split. So here we will take one string str A, B, C, D. This is the string. That string we need to pass. Alright, so we will use the string dot of str dot split str split while comma separated. Now print all those x. Alright, so here we created one string, and that string we need to pass using the by splitting by the comma separated. So let's run this. Yes, we got the using the split here we have split this string. Now we stream from an array. How we can use the stream with the array? So I will create one array. It's an integer array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the array. This array we need to print a stream of array now. So for each x, it's a consumer lambda expression. Let's run this. Here we can see a stream from an array. Now stream of a value, we will see stream from a value. So stream dot of 1, 2, 3. It's for each. Let's run stream of values. So here 1 2 3 we got. Now we need to use the stream from the function iterate, and here's the we will write now we can iterate using a stream dot iterate seed. It's an initial where from where we can start 0 and I lambda expression I plus 1 and limit till max 10 dot for each x is stream from function iterate. So here 0 to 9 we have started from 0 limit till, and now this is the last stream from a builder. So stream dot builder dot add, we can add that object 1 2 n number of objects we can add. Now after that we need to build for each x. Let's to check, right? So now this is a few operation. For example, we have shown how we can use the string API. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.